Introducing Dumpster417, your go-to partner for effective waste management solutions. Whether you're revamping your home, clearing out your garage, or overseeing a construction project, we offer the ideal dumpster rental for your needs. Our dedication to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart. Every unit undergoes meticulous maintenance to ensure cleanliness and functionality, providing a reliable waste management solution for your needs. Dumpster417 ensures prompt delivery to your location, guaranteeing you have the correct dumpster when you need it the most. Our commitment to excellence means you can consistently rely on us to provide efficient and trustworthy service. Renting a dumpster with Dumpster417 has been made remarkably effortless. We offer flexible rental options tailored to your schedule and project size. We take pride in our reliability, ensuring that your project progresses without interruptions due to waste removal logistics. For more information or to request a quote, please call 417-501-3867 or visit our website at www.dumpster417.com to explore our diverse range of dumpster sizes. Dumpster417, your ally in effective waste management. Get in touch with us today and experience the difference.